Namaste everyone. Good morning my dear students. Welcome to online class of social studies organized by our South Point English Boarding School. Today we are going to read about social responsibility and this one topic is related to our class 5. I am writing here the topic social responsibility. It is related to class 5. So at first, let's know what is a society. Society is a group of different communities living together, cooperating with each other to achieve a common goal, which I am going to write here. Society is a group of different communities living together cooperating with each other to achieve a common goal. Here in the society, the goal means udeshya. This one is common for everyone. Here in society, there is the feeling of we instead of I. As we human being is a social animal, we can't live alone. We need someone to live with. We need society to share our different feelings like happiness, sorrows, etc. Actually, this society helps to fulfill our basic needs and requirements. So, as we live in the society, we have some responsibility towards our society, and some of the major responsibilities towards our society I am going to write here. Responsibilities towards our society are: firstly, to participate in festivals, to obey the rules and regulations, regulations, to contribute in the development of our society, to work for the welfare of our society, to maintain peace and harmony, to maintain sanitation, in the society. Okay, these are some of the major responsibilities that I have written here, and along these all, beside this, there are many other responsibilities also which we should perform towards our society. So, for the more clarification, let's take the example from our own chapter, this social responsibility. In our book, we have the example of different people who have shown their responsibility towards their society. Firstly, here Ram, Sam and Hari, they are the students of class 5. They live in the same neighborhood. They are very good friends. As there is health post, police station, primary school in the village, but there is only one primary school, so there is an urgent need for the establishment of the secondary school. And for this, all the villagers decided to build a secondary school in the village. So all the villagers collected funds and worked together to make it happen. Now, in this construction of the school, children of class 5, students of class 5, they have also shown their responsibilities. In this way, I am writing here also. They are the members. They help by carrying small bricks, water, and did other small things. According to their ability. Now, in the construction of secondary school, Ram, Sam and Hari, they help the villagers by carrying small bricks, water and other small things according to their ability. In this way, by helping in the construction, they have shown their responsibility towards their society. Next one is Rajaram Kaka. Next one member is Rajaram Kaka. There is wedding ceremony in Rajaram Kaka's house. His son was getting married, and we know in marriage ceremony there is lot of works to be done. So all the villagers went to Rajaram Kaka house for helping purpose, and they all happily helped. They helped Rajaram Kaka in various ways. In this way, by helping in the wedding ceremony, all the villagers have also shown their responsibilities towards their society, which I write here for understanding it. The villagers helped in marriage ceremony. Okay, now next one member, let's take more example from our own chapter in which member of the society fulfilled their responsibility. Next one is Kripa and Lakshmi. Kripa and Lakshmi, they live in the city, but there also they have shown their responsibility towards their society. There is either we live in the village or in the city, in every places we should perform our responsibility towards our society, towards our community. And every week, okay, at first I am writing here. Every week Lakshmi and Kripa, they involve in cleaning of chalk, road, public tap. Now, by involving in cleaning of the chalk, public tap, road, etc., in this way, they have also shown their responsibilities towards their society. As a conclusion, we learn from this chapter that everybody must fulfill their responsibilities towards their society. If we do so, then the world becomes a better place to live in. The beauty of life lies in the fulfillment of social responsibility. So, the easiest way is to fulfill our responsibilities towards our society, as they have shown here. See here, Ram, Sam and Hari, being they are the student of class 5, but also by helping in the construction of the school, they have shown their responsibilities towards their society. Next one, Rajaram Kaka, the villagers helped in the marriage ceremony. And next one, Kripa and Lakshmi, they have also taken participate in sanitation program. So these all examples, from these all examples, we learn that we should perform our social responsibility. Thank you. Hope my all dear students will learn something from this chapter.